Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off mentions of username on your notification settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now click account settings, and now click manage notifications. Here you will find a mention of username. Click on it like this, and if you want to turn it off, just like this, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.